Hi guys, I am with Trinkets, our cat, and I'm going to be eating more candy.
And
International
snacks.
Candy, yes.
Alright, which one are you going to try first?
I think I'll try the peas.
Alright, let's show what that package looks like. Okay.
It's hard to open, I might have to pop it. There. Yeah, those are peas, alright.
Are they like
No, they're peas.
hard dried peas?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how they taste.
Really salty. But really good.
Here, you taste one.
You're really good.
They sound crunchy.
Kind of tastes like peanuts. Or almonds or something.
Like peanuts. Peas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's try to move on from this.
Alright, next one.
Trinket, you pick one.
She's gonna try to eat the peas.
Get it. I guess I'll go with this Pulparindo. Hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. Pulparino. Real fruit.
Pulparindo. Original.
Yeah.
Which indicates there are non-originals.
Multiple flavors.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That smells spicy. Smell that.
I don't know.
What are they? I
This
think
is what it looks like. Kind of
grab
chalky.
me another drink
Yeah, I will.
in case I die.
Go ahead.
Ew. Oh, that's bad. Look away.
What does it taste like?
Look away.
Other than bad.
Spicy.
Oh, is it spicy?
Yeah.
Like spices or spicy like hot?
Spicy like hot. It's alright. I'm good.
Why don't you try this one next?
What's this? Pelon Pelo Rico. Looks like a banana guy. Can you like pop this off? Oh, oh. Looks like you squeeze it. Ooh. It's hard to squeeze.
It's like gel.
Yeah.
Do you
It's
want
like
help?
that. It's like that Play-Doh hair thing
Yeah.
we used to have.
Crazy Play-Doh hair.
Okay, that's enough. That smells exactly the same as that.
We'll just try it.
Why am I doing this to myself? Do I just lick it?
Yeah.
Didn't get any. Just. Yep. Turn the camera. I got some on my chin.
What would you rate those two?
2.
2 out of 10?
Yeah, which is the same. Could you give me? Yeah.
So the flavor is just what? Spicy?
Yeah, I got some on my chin.
How much you got?
Yeah, really bad fruit slice.
I think you should try the seaweed next.
Yeah. A little palate cleanser. I love seaweed. Really weird taste palette. Is that what you call it? Grilled seaweed roll. Big roll. Tasty and easy. Classic flavor. That also means that there's other flavors. Yeah. How can a food taste easy?
They probably just mean it's easy to eat.
Oh, wow.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
It smells like old wet grass.
Yeah, it does. And that's all they give you. We'll just try this much.
Try it.
Tastes like
good?
the seaweed you get in sushi.
Nice. What would you rate this one?
7.
Let me see. So, don't dump it because it says big roll, so I want to see if it's all in one piece. Yeah, so after you get the little chunks out, there's bigger pieces.
Crunchy too.
Okay, what'd you rate this one?
Oh, 7.
7 out of 10. Alright, let me open this for you.
Man, these are all gonna be spicy, aren't they?
I don't think so. It says Pika Slice by Jovi Candy.
Bon Jovi?
Yeah, Bon Jovi Candy.
I really hope so.
I
Oh
think you have
man,
to chew it
it
first.
smells the same.
It's not the same. It's not tamarind.
It smells the same.
Well, just try it.
The stick has spices. It's just a stick, just looks like that. Man, these are not good. No, you don't chew it. It's like
Is it
it's like a
hard
sucker.
candy? Okay.
I'll do one more lick.
Well, you're only getting the outside coating if you only do one lick.
Okay, so it's not so much spicy as the other ones as it is just bad.
Why don't you see what flavor's underneath the chili powder? That's what it is.
How do I?
Chili covered. So something like chili powder.
How do I get to the?
No, just suck on it. Spicy or you just don't like it?
I'm gonna throw it. It's not spicy. It's just so bad. I need you to try this.
Oh boy.
Look.
I don't think it's that bad. It's interesting. It's kind of spicy, sour. I don't know. I would give this maybe like a 4 out of 10. I think that it's a little intense.
1. It's worse than the others. I need something sweet to get that out of my mouth, other than
Here,
the tea.
try this cream strawberry wafer.
A lot of wafers.
Yeah, a lot of wafers. It's hard to open.
I'll open it.
I don't know.
Just give it to me.
There we go. It's a big one.
Smells like strawberry. Doesn't taste like strawberry though. It's just wafer. Why? I'm disappointed. This is really messy. I have to clean this up. There's nothing in the layers. It's
Just wafer.
tasteless cardboard. Well, that was a bunch of candy. Some spicy. I guess we'll do more of this box next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.